Say hello to easier and faster pest control jobs with the Ferret Inspection Camera.
The Ferret wireless camera can help you find rodents such as mice and rats, bees, wasps, bats, termites, raccoons, squirrels, and other pests and wildlife activities.
Providing you with close-up visual inspections, the Ferret camera has a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and bright white LEDs, allowing you to identify pest activity in those dark and hard-to-reach spaces. There's no need to worry about the camera getting wet, because with the back cap in place, the Ferret camera is IP67 rated, meaning it's fully waterproof and dustproof. Reduce risk and save time by not always needing your ladder. Simply attach a Ferret Stick or compatible pole to your Ferret camera for highly controllable viewing using the free app on your smart device. Use it for navigating hard-to-reach or hard-to-access spaces when looking for pest activity. The Ferret app comes with a digital zoom feature for close-up viewing, helping you to identify insect species. Work safer and don't hurt your back trying to see behind and around household appliances and furniture. With the Ferret camera, you can inspect with ease. Don't settle for less. Look for the unique shape and you'll know you have the genuine Ferret camera.